Here is an XDP Camshaft Position sensor, designed as a direct fit replacement for the faulty sensor in your truck. When shopping for a camshaft position sensor or looking at a wiring diagram, you may find this sensor referred to or abbreviated as a CMP sensor. The camshaft position sensor monitors camshaft position and sends the data to the ECM. When it starts to fail, you may experience extended crank times, engine stalling, poor performance, and even no start conditions. Inside, you'll find a direct fit replacement CMP sensor, manufactured from high-quality materials for precise signal output and reliable communication with your truck's electronic systems. These sensors are available for a wide range of Ford Powerstroke, GM Duramax, and Dodge Ram diesel applications. So if you're dealing with issues caused by a failing sensor in your truck, XDP sensor lineup has a wide range of direct fit replacement sensors that will get you back on the road.